Today I'll be trying the pumpkin pie blizzard at Dairy Queen. Alright, we're trying the pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen right now. Yep. Pumpkiny with the hint of pumpkin crumbs inside of it. It's super sweet, super good, super delicious, and super sweet. It's only $1. It's only $1 when you buy, only 85 cents when you buy something for $1 at Dairy Queen, limited time only. Yum, 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 yum.
Now let's try their pizza. Super meaty, super garlicky, super stowy, super great. It's the best pizza I like. The ham and onions, I love it. Let's go try